guys, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. Well, I had a quick look around at Dollar Tree, only one again this time around, and I really hope to be getting out to some other ones because the one that I've usually been going to hasn't really been getting many new items. So I did go for a particular reason and I found a couple of things. So I will go through them quickly since there's only a few items and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting out, I came across this organic tricolor popcorn. It is Central Roast organic and there is 425 grams in here, and you can see it is tricolor. It says vegan, non-GMO, certified organic, no preservatives, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. So that looked really good. I wanted to give this a try. If you guys have tried this particular popcorn, then please let me know if you liked it or not in the comment section below. I then came across this little bathtub. Now I have seen this before, but I only recently decided to pick it up as my daughter will soon be gifted from a dear friend of ours a little silicone baby doll, and I thought this would be the perfect size as it's about 8 inches to either do videos on my other channel or for her to just have this as a little prop for her little silicone doll. Also, I came across these, which are new to my Dollar Tree, and they are letters that light up. And you want to make sure and check if they're working, because there were a couple that I did try and they were not working. So I've already pulled out the little tabs and they light up. So these are super cute. I wanted to get enough letters to spell out my daughter's name, but they didn't have them all, so I just decided to pick up the 3 that spell out Sam. And then the last thing that I picked up are these decor pieces. Now these are very similar to the other ones that they have, only these are thinner. They are the same length, but they are thinner. And the reason I got these is, one, I wanted to keep one for a decor piece, but I'm also going to be making another tiered tray, which is one of my favorite things to make using Dollar Tree items. And this is for someone that lives in our area, and she wanted it a specific way. So I thought maybe these might work to get the look that hopefully she is going for. So hopefully I get around to filming that and putting it on the channel. So this one here says, "You are perfect in every way." And really, I could not find many of these. I did pick up 4 of those because, as I said, I really just wanted one for decor and then the other ones to use to make the tiered tray. And then the only other one that I found was this one here that says, "Love you always." And that's it, guys. Just a short little haul, pretty much just to check in. Hopefully you are all doing well. The weather has been warming up in my area, which really gets me excited because that means that I'm going to be able to do some more projects outside with spray painting. Also, you know, getting things done around the house. So just really nice with spring around the corner. Again, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you take care. If you enjoyed this quick little video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.